What's up, guys? This is Pastor Kelo again. We're coming out with another video tonight. So I'm supposed to finish all my series of videos in jQuery, but didn't have time just to go through. But now, just coming up pretty quick with this video, we're going to be doing HTML, CSS. As you can tell right here, we're going to be doing these four different images that has as a background, and there is text in the center, and there's linear gradient, opacity on these images, and also this is very responsive, as you can tell. Let's go inspect. Let's go to mobile. This is what it looks like in mobile. Panel looks pretty good, right? And then let's go responsive. There's four different images right here, which is fine. And then we go to desktop, so it looks like this. That's pretty cool. All right, we're ready. Let's go ahead and do it. I have my HTML file ready to go. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, so we're going to start with the section right here. Step section. And then we're going to give it a class name. We're going to say main. And then inside this section, we're going to have a div. Let's do a div right here. And this is going to have a class name by the name img content, and also we'll have another one, img image one. It's going to be this one. Then inside this content, we're going to have another div right here, and it's going to have a class name. It's going to be by the name content. Okay, that worked. And then inside here, we're going to have our h1, which this is going to have a class name. We're going to call this cyan, like the color. And then it's going to be time here. Okay, all right. So now we are, sorry, excuse me. We're going to be copying all of this. Copy that, pam pam. And we're going to do two more times. And that should be it. We're going to change the image content is going to be the same, but we're going to be changing the image. It's going to be 2. It's going to be 3. It's going to be 4. And then we're going to change the class name for the div. No, actually, there's going to be content. This is going to be the same. This div is going to be the same. And then we're going to be changing is this class name for the h1, because we're going to be changing colors. So this is going to be blue color. Next one is going to be green, and then we're going to have the last one is going to be red. No, actually we gotta change the h1 too, because that's have to say time. What did I time? It says time here, and then this for second time. It should say second timer. Second timer here, and then third timer. Timer here, and then we have fourth timer. Fourth timer here, and we save that, and then we're going to be right here. Let's save it. Okay, time here, second timer here, third timer here, fourth timer here. Okay, that works good. Let's go back to our file. Okay, that's cool. Now, so we got all of that ready. Now what we need to do is just add our style. like our CSS style. So we're going to be doing right in here below our style sheet. We're going to say style, and then yeah, and here is going to go all our styles. All right, so we're going to do the universal selector. Right here is going to be the star, and then we're going to do padding. It's going to be 0. Then we got margin, going to be 0, and then we go box sizing. We have right there, it's going to be box border, and that's done. Then we go to the next one. We're going to be target the img content, the class img content, and then right here we're going to have the height, and we're going to be 50 view height. Okay, we'll need that for that. Then next one we're going to be target is going to be the image. So let's add the images right here. Image 1. So we're going to do a background. Yeah, we have background right here. And then we say linear gradient, and then we say RGBA, and then we're going to do 149 comma 0 comma 226 comma 0.5 of opacity. And then actually we're going to be copying this one, same for the next one here, comma, let's do that, and here we go, and then we do a comma here again, and then we're going to do a URL I can't even pronounce that. And then right here I got a folder with 4 different images. The first one is going to be in that folder, it's my images in that folder, images /, and then I say lake. I have image by the name lake, is a JPG, and then we're going to say right here no repeat center and cover. Yeah, and let's save that and see what we have. Let's go back. Boom. Yeah, that's cool. We got that image right there with the linear gradient and the opacity, kind of pinkish. Okay, cool beans. Let's go back to our HTML file. Now we're going to be copying all of this right here, and then we're going to be changing some values. Image 2, image 3, image 4. Just copy right here, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to be changing the RGBA values right here. For the second one, it's going to be 163, and then we're going to have 217 right here, and then we're going to have 207, and then we're going to be copying actually this part right here and paste it right in here. So that should change the second one. We go back and check. Yeah, it did change it. Cool. Now kind of green this. Alright, let's go back again. Now let's change the next one. This is going to be 14. This is going to be 72. 72, and then we're going to have 222. Let's just change the last 222, and then we should be good. Let's copy this values right here and paste it right here in the next one. And then the last one is going to be just a regular opacity. It's going to be 0, 0, and right here is 0, 0. So let's change the name of the images right here. The second one is called car. Car. Third one is going to be Chicago. It's a picture from Chicago. Okay. And then the last one we have is called dogs. There's a couple dogs in that picture. Let's save it and see what we have. Boom, that changed. Yeah, we got that car right there. That's the dogs. Okay, cool. That's working good. It's looking good so far. Okay, let's keep on working on this. So now let's go back to our HTML. Now we're going to be targeting content. All of this content right here. Content, content. There's 4 contents. Okay. All right, let's go back up. Okay, let's just do content, that content, and then we're going to say height. So right here we're going to say 50 view height. Then we got display, we got flex. This in flexbox we're going to say justify content. We're going to do center, and then we're going to do align items, and then this is going to be center too. And then right here we're going to have border. I want all the content to have like a border. So 2 pixels, going to be solid. We're going to say it's going to say green. No, actually there's a 2. It's going to be 5. That's what I have. 5 pixels solid, and we're going to say green. Let's save that and see what we have. Ooh. Okay, this doesn't show yet because our universal selector right here is padding 0, but it will, let's keep on working, so it will show up in a minute. Let's go back. So let me just check really quick. We got, oh yeah, we got, that's why it didn't work. I was missing the semicolon. I bet you it's going to work right now. Yes, that was my issue. Semicolon. Let's check that. Always double check your code. Yeah, that worked. Yeah, it was kind of weird. I was thinking, why doesn't it work? But yeah, it's working fine. Alright, let's go back again. And now, let's target the colors. Now we're going to do, oh yeah, we're going to do the content H1 now. We're going to target content, all the H1. So right here we're going to have background. It's going to be orange background, and then we're going to have a border, 2 pixels solid. It's going to be black. Okay, Now we have padding. Padding is going to be 10 pixels. Let's check that and see what we have. Okay, that's cool. That's what we needed, or we need. It's working fine. Let's go back again to our HTML file. Now let's just do the target colors. Cyan for the text. So now we have color cyan right here. Oh man, let's go back. Let's just copy this. Oh no, what did I do? Color cyan. Let's copy right here. This line 2, 3, 4. Let's change this next one. It's going to be blue, and then right here is going to be blue. Then we have this third one. What did we say it's going to be? It's going to be green. Let's change that for green. And then right here, the last one, I think is red. Yep, it's red. Save that. And that should change our H1 colors. Let's go back. Yeah, it's green, red, blue, cyan. Okay, that worked. Now, what we need, let's go back. Now we gotta make it responsive, right? So we gotta use some media queries right here. We gotta do add media screen and min width. Okay, that's wrong. That's cool. And we're going to say the min is going to be 560 pixels, 576 pixels. Okay. Curly brackets, and then we have the main. So what I want to accomplish in here, in the main, is going to be, which is the whole entire section, or this is main right here, the whole entire block of code. So that's the parent, main is the parent, and these are the kids. 1 kid, 2 kid, 3 kids, and 4 kids. All the kids there in a div, those are the kids, and the main is the parent. Okay, now, okay, I want through the media queries accomplish through flexbox display. There's flex, and then what I need here is just flex wrap. Then we're going to say wrap, and then image content, which is this one, that class. All the 4 has the class name. 4 are the kids, 4 are the children, and then we're going to say that img content flex. We're going to use flex 0 0 calc, and then we're going to calculate, show for calculate 50%. Okay, pan. Let's save it and let's see what we have. Nice, so that worked. So let's see, this is responsive. Okay, yeah, dimension responsive, which is good. And now we have, let's do mobile. Yeah, that worked. Alrighty guys, so that was all the videos, so hopefully this can help you out. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. We'll try to keep a video every single day, but thank you for checking and see you in the next. Okay, bye bye.